What's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, we're looking at Cardano. Price action continuing to experience sell pressure from resistance overhead. We have $2.18 continuing to give us a hard time over the last few weeks here. Price action has been, getting rejected here off of this key level of resistance. In addition to these bearish robo advisors still in play, does suggest perhaps, an interaction downward toward potential support waiting for us. We do have this key level here, the 0.618 Fibba rigatoni level, $1.92 acting as a potential area of support here for us. We do have two bullish interactions with this key level over the past couple of months here, one on the 21st of September, then another on the 18th of August here. We have bullish buy pressure coming from $1.92 waiting for us as potential support. However, a more significant area of buy pressure waiting for us is going to be all the way down at $1.57 in my opinion, a key level currently correlating with the 0.5 Fibba Bugatti line, and so I do believe a more significant area of support is all the way down at that level if this $1.92 level fails to support us. So continue technical resistance overhead, simple as that, $2.18 acting as resistance, suggesting continued downside. We also have these robo advisors still bearish on price action. All three of our chosen robo advisors are bearish on price action moving forward ever since the 10th of September here. We have two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bearish, and then we've experienced up to 20% in downside just about, and it's currently sitting on still almost 10% in downside after these bearish signals came into play. And so we're not here to determine the top or bottom of any market, but we're trying to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so we're waiting for two of our chosen three robo advisors to become bullish on price action again, to use that as a comfortable confirmation of accumulation. And I would like nice correlation with some support. If $2.18 becomes support for us, say price action makes its way above that level, and we then come down and experience buy pressure off of it, we can get more bullish on it as a level of accumulation. Moving forward, we will have some key areas of resistance to consider as well. Once support is found, say we make our way back above $2.18, find it as support. My target is going to be $2.84 in the upside here. I'm watching out for interaction with $2.44, the 0.786 Fibonacci level. However, at first, I'm going to need technical confirmation of $2.18 as support. Currently is resistance, so pressure overhead suggests that we're making our way toward $1.92 as a potential area of bullish support for us. However, all the way down at $1.57 is going to be my sort of short-term bearish target here if we were to continue this downside. We've already well over doubled our money on Cardano between July and September after two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish on price action. We saw up to 142% in gains, so no big deal, and we were able to capitalize on 86% in gains when EngineeringRobo became bearish on price action. So no big deal. Moving forward, we're just waiting for the next bullish area of accumulation to present itself. Looking for support down below and for some robo advisors to become bullish on price action. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing with Cardano. Now, we're looking at audio USDT price action currently interacting with a key level here for us. The key level to consider moving forward is going to be $2.17. In my opinion, is going to have to become support for us moving forward. Daily candles opening and closing, body and wicks above the $2.17 level would confirm that key level as support and may be used as a potential bullish area of accumulation. Currently, that is a resistance at the moment until these technical confirmations have been met. Once support has been found, I do believe we are making our way all the way up to $3.75 is going to be my short-term target once technical support has been found. At the moment, we're looking at potential resistance present. In addition to these bearish robo advisors in play, does suggest perhaps continued accumulation and consolidation until these robo advisors are bullish and we've found support at my key level here, $2.17. I am still looking for these confirmations before I'm comfortably accumulating expecting this coin moving forward. We do have a potential key level here as support if we continue to experience resistance and sell pressure. A pullback toward $1.85 may be, not impossible for price action to experience before making its way upward here. We've had a couple bullish interactions with this key level, one on the 12th of October and then again on the 7th of September. So we do have bullish support found potentially off of this $1.84 level. So at the moment, I'm looking for these technical key confirmations and for some robo advisors to come into play and become bullish again. If we look at our previous buy signals, if we waited for 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish on price action, we held through the short-term pullback there, even though that was rather scary. But EngineeringRobo members were still able to see up to 215% in gains on their position, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $30,000 just by sitting around smelling at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 64% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And so at the moment, those bearish robo advisors are still in play. So I'm looking for technical confirmation of key areas of support. $2.17 needs to become support for me moving forward, and I would like to see some bullish robo advisors come back into play once those confirmations have been met. We're making our way up to $3.75. Let me know down below what you're doing with audio moving forward. Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Now, swapping over to AVAX against USDT, we're looking at AVAX coin price action coming from a very bullish area of accumulation, interacting with some suggested key levels here. If we look back at our buy signals, back at the end of July, buy 1 on the 22nd, buy 4 on the 28th of July, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action, and then over the following 57 days, EngineeringRobo members have experienced up to 538% in gains, turning $10,000 into over $60,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, technically there are no signs of suggested key areas here to sell, because you're still sitting on 435% in gains with anticipated continued upside. We do have some interactions with some suggested key levels here, and none of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bearish. We have that sell force showing briefly on the 31st of August to the 11th of September. However, we wait for 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish or bearish to use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And at the moment, all 3 of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on price action as we interact with these key levels here. And so I do believe I have some an analysis on AVAX back in sort of September here, when we were first interacting with this suggested key level, $60.50. In my opinion, is going to be was going to be this key level that I wanted further interaction with before I can get comfortably bullish on accumulation or not. And so moving forward, we've experienced both support and resistance off of this key level here, $60.50. It does suggest further significance of that level. At the moment, we are interacting with it as potential support moving forward, as we are currently looking to have daily candles open and close above this key level here. We can potentially use this as a bullish area of accumulation moving forward as well, as long as support is maintained. I do believe this is going to be a significant level moving forward based on the interactions we've had over the past few weeks here, and with these robo advisors still bullish on price action, I do believe we will continue to make our way upward. I'm looking for more bullish interactions off of $60.55. Let me know where you think price action is headed to. Now, we're taking a look at Ethereum price action, having a very bullish interaction with my suggested area of support here. We have $3,920 per Ethereum acting as support moving forward, a key level that I suggested a potential interaction with as we were experiencing that resistance off of this most recent swing high here. I see resistance present for us at $4,189 per Ethereum, in addition to this kind of like swing high here, $4,375. Those are going to be the 2 key levels we need need to kind of conquer and break through before we are set to see some very euphoric gains. At the moment, I'm looking for continued support and buy pressure off of my key level here, $3,920 per Ethereum. We're looking at all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action after some very bullish interaction with these FIBA Bugatti lines. So I do believe price action making its way to and through key levels of resistance, confirming them as support. Buy signals coming back into play does suggest this very bullish upside, perhaps interacting with levels above $6,000 per Ethereum in the coming weeks to months. In my opinion, it's hard to be bearish on price action, and at the moment we're just currently interacting with support, and I do believe this would be a perhaps very bullish opportunity to accumulate Ethereum before we can see some very bullish upside. Let me know down below where you think Ethereum will go. At the moment, I'm looking for continued interaction with $3,920 as support. We can potentially use that as a bullish area of accumulation as well moving forward. I'm also looking for resistance present overhead 41.94 and 43.75. Now we're taking a look at Bitcoin price action after setting some very nice all-time highs. We're making our way back towards support here. Nothing wrong with that. Another buy opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin below 60K may present itself as we look for interaction with my $58,700 support line for Bitcoin. Price action continuing to experience support and buy pressure off of that key level can suggest a bullish area of accumulation for us, and would allow for comfortable accumulation with anticipated upside. I do believe it's very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin at the moment. Any sort of interaction downward with support moving forward is going to be very bullish for us. We have all of our chosen three robo advisors back to bullish on price action ever since the beginning of October. I do believe there is reason to suspect perhaps new all-time highs, in addition to perhaps a six-figure Bitcoin interacting with levels near $129,000 per Bitcoin before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected. At the moment, we're just interacting with some key levels here. I'm looking for support. $58,700 is going to be a key area of accumulation for us. We also could consider the 0.786 FIBA Linguini line. $53,471 per Bitcoin is not impossible to see an interaction with and still expect bullish upside. I do believe any sort of pullback or downside that we experience in the immediate short term is going to be very bullish for us. I'm always looking for support in any uptrend. Let me know in the comments down below where you're doing with crypto. Are you bullish on price action? Are you bearish? Do you think we're headed straight to zero or to the moon? It's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, in my opinion, only better times. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Thank you for tuning in, and tune in for the next one.